Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for viewing. Please feel free to subscribe, comment, like, ask me any questions and I'll try and get back to you. I've been helping a lot of people at the moment. So today we're going to make a vegan vegetable jalfrezi. So it's for people that like it a little bit hot, not too crazy. So what you need is 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of tomato puree, 3 tablespoons of pre-cooked veg, 2 to 3 pieces of pre-cooked potato, 2 mushrooms, 2 teaspoons of our desi style mix powder, 2 sprinkles of coriander, 1 teaspoon of our chilled chili, which is just chili powder, 2 tomatoes, well 1 tomato cut into little bits, and 1 green chilli for decoration. But yeah, guys, that's all you need. It's a really nice dish. So let's get ready, and anything that is pre-cooked will be down on the description below with a link. So let's get started. Okay guys, so we've got our oil. Gonna let that heat up a little bit. Once that's heated up a little bit, you can see we're ready to put our garlic ginger paste in.
Just remember you're talking to this one.
I forgot. So yeah, we've got our garlic and ginger, and that's smelling really nice. It's starting to go a little bit golden. You don't want it too overcooked, so once it starts going golden, you then have your tomato puree. So then we have our desi style mix powder from currybyAir.com, and that's just now you want to lower the gas. Now as soon as you put the spices in, you want to lower the gas because it's going to stick and burn. And as soon as it's done that, jalfrezi, I might have forgot to put this one, this is like jalfrezi style cooked onions and peppers. You want to get a nice amount of peppers, a nice amount of onions, let that marinate. And then you've got some chilled chili, which you can buy from .com. That will go in. Marinate the spices with the onions. If your onions are still quite hard, like these ones are still quite hard, let it marinate a little bit, let it soften up. And then you've got pre-cooked potatoes. Now I've shown you how to do this. Again, it's all in the description below. There's a link to how to do all this. So, I mean, it's up to you how many you want to put. We generally put like 3 or 4 pieces in. Okay. And then we've got some mushrooms here. Again, we just generally put just like a little handful, but if you want to put extra mushrooms, by all means you can. And then we've got our pre-cooked veg, which is just a mixture of everything. So on slow gas now, just let the spices just infuse in with all of that, the mushrooms, the potatoes, the veg, the onions. Let it just infuse in. You know, on low gas, keep it very low. You don't want it, you know, if you overpower it, it's going to be too, it's just going to burn all the spice and burn everything. Let it just infuse a little bit. Once it's infused, some base gravy here. Now gravy is a bit dry, so you don't have to drench it too much with the base gravy. So yeah, just add a little bit of coriander to keep it nice, fresh. It's got a lovely, beautiful smell, coriander. It's used, as you can see, I use it all the way throughout in so many different ways. And then you've got 2 bits of tomato. Make sure you put the tomato at the end. That's more for, you know, just add a little bit of texture to it. So, and then you have it guys, a veg jalfrezi. You just want to add some coriander on top and just put a green chili, take the stalk off, and it just looks nice. And there you have it guys, a beautiful vegan vegetable jalfrezi.